Very happy that the Tomica 50th anniversary collaboration series is now complete. This was released last Saturday in Japan and parts of Asia including Singapore. The 2020 GTR sports the same iconic livery as the Nissan Skyline Turbo silhouette. On the right is the mainline and on the left is the Lottery version. And now let's take a quick recap of the Type R and GR Supra collaboration between Tomica, Toyota and Honda. This stunning livery design was designed by the designer in their respective company to commemorate Tomica 50th anniversary, so it's very meaningful. If you missed the video, you can always click on the card above. And now let's take a closer look at the 50th anniversary collaboration GTR. The casting is based on the latest 2020 Nissan 50th anniversary model. It's in predominant red and black, very similar to the Skyline Turbo silhouette. Standard info at the back with the year made. When you flip open the box cover, you can see the designer for Nissan who designed the livery of this casting with a very short rationale. You can see the actual casting that's enclosed in the package, and it's very impressive. Very nice and very iconic model. Out of the three, this is my most favorite. I think it's a very good call by the designer to sort of adapt the livery design from the Skyline Turbo silhouette because it's very iconic and one of Nissan's signature livery. The details for the casting is decent with very sharp and arresting livery that make this whole casting stands out. Standard Tomica racing wheels with suspension. The 50th anniversary Nissan logo appears in all sides of the casting. Opening door features which reveal the standard interior. The livery on this casting is the winning factor. You can clearly see the collaboration logo with the Nissan car plate. Rear light is painted and Tomica logo is everywhere. Although the make and the manufacturing standard is different from the Tomica Premium series, the body color is accurate. They are very compatible in terms of livery and design. And I'm very happy to hold a piece of history from Tomica and Nissan. Although 2020 is a really bad year and it happens to be Tomica 50th anniversary, many disruption to the release date and cancellation of all the events, but still, casting like this GTR makes my day. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!